Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre for an update of what you can expect for the rest of this Friday. It's been clear to start off the day over western South Africa, and along with that obviously dry, while on the opposite side of the country it's been fairly cloudy in the Lowveld as well as some parts of northern KZN, although it's also remained dry in those areas. Showers, on the other hand, have continued once again overnight, and for the second consecutive day, it started off quite cloudy in Gauteng with a couple of showers in places. Now, for the rest of today, we'll see isolated thundershowers developing across the eastern interior, including in KwaZulu-Natal, and Gauteng could see the redevelopment of showers and thundershowers later on. A hot day expected for the western parts where the sunshine is set to continue, while by tonight we could see cloudy weather developing in places along the Western Cape coastline, although it should remain dry. Now for Saturday, cloudy weather will be developing along the east coast. We are expecting some light rain in places. Thunderstorms once again for a very similar area over the eastern parts of the country. Mainly dry towards the west, although a weak cold front will be approaching the southwestern corner of the country that may bring some late evening rain to parts of the peninsula, particularly near the mountainous areas. Scattered thunderstorms today over parts of the eastern escarpment, while isolated thundershowers are likely for Johannesburg, Pretoria, Mahikeng, as well as for Polokwane up in the north. A couple of storms expected to develop today over the Eastern Cape, and some of those thundershowers may even reach the coastline, perhaps even for East London. The South African Weather Service has issued a warning for today for a high fire danger over the central parts of the Northern Cape. Runaway fires may develop. A hot, dry and gusty afternoon expected for the region. And here we can see those wind speeds getting up to between 25 and 30 kilometers per hour in that area, and a southwesterly wind is expected for both PE as well as East London. Now for your maximum temperatures, and it's going to be a hot day over northern KwaZulu-Natal, 32 degrees for Richards Bay, as well as into Pietermaritzburg. Quite hot as well for the central and western parts, some areas approaching 40 degrees, particularly in the northern parts of the Northern Cape, while it's going to be milder along the Western Cape coastline, temperatures in the mid to upper 20s in that area. Bethlehem in the Eastern Free State getting up to 28. Tomorrow morning will be typically warm once again, an especially warm morning expected over KZN, with temperatures remaining above 20 degrees for much of the province. Cooler on the Highveld, and we're expecting it to be quite cool as well down in the southwest, particularly in the mountainous regions, Sutherland dropping down to 10. Now, Bloemfontein today will be quite hot, 34 degrees as a maximum, and although the cloud cover will be building up, we are expecting it to remain dry, and it will be mainly clear and dry overnight with a minimum temperature of 14 degrees. Tomorrow afternoon will bring those thunder showers to Gauteng once again, as well as for Polokwane, getting to a high of 29. Sunshine for Sutherland as well as for Uppington. And on Sunday, the sunny weather continues over the western interior, partly cloudy for George and Cape Town, both reaching a high of 24.